Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making Sobolo drink for a small scale business, or Zobo drink. Okay, so this is one of the small scale business in Ghana and also Nigeria that fetch a lot of people some cool cash, because this local drink here is full of a lot of benefits. Okay, so yes, this is Sobolo leaves or hibiscus flower or Zobo leaves. Okay, so what you need to do right now is to give it a quick wash it so well, because it might be full of dirt. Okay, so yes, I just go ahead to wash it and then put it in my pan. Guys, if this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Niman Number. You are welcome to my channel. So yes, this business has fetched a lot of ladies some cash, as I said earlier on. So if you consider doing this small scale business, it's going to fetch you a lot of money. As you know, my channel is about food and business, so basically food business ideas channel. Okay, so I'll also be using pineapple. So pineapple gives it a very nice flavor and taste. Of course, if you add a pineapple to your Zobo drink or your Sobolo drink, you will love it. Okay, if you don't have fresh pineapple, you can use only the pineapple flavor, as I'll also be using some in this particular video. Okay, so whatever amount of pineapple that you get, I'm just using this small pineapple. Okay, and also I'm going to be making use of some herbs and spices. I'll put their names and measurements in the description box below, so do check it out. They include prekese, grains of sellins, cloves, and black pepper, and of course ginger. Okay, so what you need to do is to give it a very nice wash. Okay guys, this is the most selling local drink in Ghana and of course also in Nigeria, as I can see a lot of people making it as a small scale business on YouTube here from Nigeria. Okay, so yes, so after washing it, I'm going to pour it into my mortar and pestle, and that is what I'm going to use to crush it into tiny chunks. Okay, the essence of crushing this is to release all the important nutrient in these spices into the sobolo. You can as well cook it like that without pounding if you so wish. Okay, so the amount of spices used really depend on how much spicy you want your Zobo drink to be. I will be making use of the pineapple peel, as it also adds a lot of flavor to my Sobolo drink, and it also has some health benefits, so I wouldn't be throwing that away. But if you wish not to use it, no problem, you can just go ahead to use only the pineapple. So in order for you to use the pineapple peel, you add it to your Sobolo and add a lot of water to it, and you are going to be boiling all that. Yes, for the pineapple fruits, after cutting it into some chunks, I went ahead to use my blended it nicely, and then I went ahead to add it to my pot of Sobolo and spices. Okay, so this is me cooking it for about 25 minutes. You can cook it for as long as 30 minutes. Okay, yes, so some people use not to cook the Sobolo. All that they do is to soak the flour, just soak it for so few number of hours, and then you are going to have your Sobolo drink ready. But if you are in a hurry, you can go ahead to boil it for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so this is me here sieving the chaff or some of the things that I use, the Sobolo flour. I'm just going to drain it out. Okay, bear in mind you can as well use it for the second time, because I bet you are going to get a lot of Sobolo from this hibiscus flower, this amount of hibiscus flower. If you go ahead to boil it for the second time, you will make a lot of Sobolo from it. So this is how I am going ahead to sieve it. Please, if you are still watching up to now, thank you so much for watching up to this point. What I need you to do right now is to just like the video and also comment below if you have ever prepared Sobolo before, or if you have ever prepared Zobo drink, and what are some of the spices that you use in your Zobo drink or Sobolo drink. Okay, we are going to talk about the kind of sweetener to use in your Zobo drink. Some people actually use dates to sweeten their Zobo drink, I will be making use of white sugar. Okay, I lost clip of where I added the white sugar to my Zobo drink. Okay, so forgive me for that. So I use 1 cup of white sugar for this amount of Zobo drink or Sobolo drink. Okay, I'm also going to be adding some pineapple flavor, as the pineapple that I use is not that much, it's just a little, so I just added a little amount of the flavor of the pineapple. Okay, pineapple flavor to it. Then I went ahead to just stir everything together so that it can dissolve, so that the sugar can dissolve. Yes, so right now I am going to be bottling this Sobolo drink. Okay, so if you are making business from this, what you need to do actually is to get good packaging for your Sobolo drink or for your Zobo drink. Okay, you have to get good packaging. Okay, so these bottles here are kind of fancy. They are very nice, not like the usual round bottle that we know. This is a very nice bottle that you can use for your Sobolo drinks. And one thing, branding is very important. Okay, branding of this is very important. So I urge you to get some kind of stickers for your Sobolo bottles. Okay, so this video is just a video for me showing you how you can make Sobolo and use it as your business, but then I am not using it as a business. Okay, so after bottling your Sobolos, you have to get stickers. Okay, and then add your details and add every information on the sticker, so that people can get back to you after they have tasted your Sobolo. Okay, and they can come back and then buy more from you. Okay, branding, it is very important. Sorry, I did not do that in this video. Okay, so this is just me bottling the rest of the Sobolo. I'm going to chill it in the fridge, and of course the rest of the family is going to have a lot of drink from this. They are going to enjoy this Sobolo, and it tastes very well. Okay, the amount of sugar or sweetener to add to your Zobo drink just really depends on you, how tasty or sweet you want your Sobolo drink to be. So I will be going from here. I just want you guys to watch the video up to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my video. Please keep watching and see you in my next video. Bye.